How to install the garage workbench. Please ensure you have all the necessary tools. Step 1. Remove all cardboard, foam packaging material, and clear plastic bags. Step 2. Verify all the contents in the box and gather the required tools. Step 3. Align the horizontal beam and leg assembly. Step 4. Attach horizontal beam to leg assembly using M8 by 16 mm bolts and M8 lock washers. Repeat step 4 for all corners. Step 5. Center the frame on the bottom side of the worktop based on the images in your manual. Step 6. Pre-drill holes using a 3 32/2" drill bit and secure frame to worktop using M 4 by 16 mm screws provided. Step 7. Attach the underside bracket to the horizontal beam using the M 5 by 10 mm Phillips head bolts. Pre-drill holes and secure underside support to worktop using 3 M 4 by 16 mm screws. Repeat step 7. Step 8. Insert the leg posts at desired height and secure using M8 by 60 mm bolts, nuts, and washers provided. Repeat step 8. Step 9. Stand and level the workbench. Thank you for purchasing from New Age Products and enjoy your new garage workbench.